It's not an either or. It's not the presence of God or the promises of God, but it's one above the other. Oh my God. It's one above the other. It's to put things in priority. It's to have a hierarchical value system where you value God the most out of everything in your life, where you value the giver of the gift than the gift. You don't want to ever let the gift of God replace the presence of God in your life. God is trying to make sure your life is balanced and that there's equilibrium in your life. Somebody say equilibrium. Somebody say, I got to be balanced in this thing. You know, Proverbs 11:1 says that a false balance is an abomination to the Lord, but a just weight is his delight. God wants you to be even. God wants you to be balanced. And in order for it to be balanced, that there must be something called order. Somebody say order.